fixing a Zitto, which is having fuel problems. So let's get right into it. It looks like there has I don't even know. I need to get some better lighting here. As I was saying, so let's get right into it. So we get this little thing out of the way. It looks like a really weird I didn't know, so we're just gonna use a big flathead. This is not very professional, but it's alright. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, so I've worked out what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna take the carby out. So I'll get a separate little container. I'll put that in there. Okay. Where did I put those fuel lines? So they're in there. So they're in there. Alright, so I'm just gonna separate those into a different pile. So we'll just take the carby out. I think there's only like one screw holding this in, and the two up front. So put that there, and then we'll get the two right here. We should be using the actual other screwdriver, but that's okay. That is a-okay. Because we'll just work it out like this. Also, I don't know, because my dogs are, I don't even know what that sound is. So, sorry if you guys hear that. That's my dog there. I'm probably going to check that out soon. But, we'll just like keep all this in like one little situation. Should be, because like, we'll have to, so, pretty sure we'll have to get rid of that fuel on there for a little primer. So, we gotta remember that the left fuel line is for the primer, and the other one is for the other one. So it looks like, no, how in the world are we gonna get this out? Because I am not too sure. It's like these little, whatever these are, come out. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm pretty sure, like, by the looks of it, we can just leave it in here, like so. So, oh, what happened there, guys? Alright, we'll put that in there. You guys see again? Yeah. Just put that to the side there. I don't know where you guys will be able to see it, but there's a little thing. Oh yeah, you guys can see it in there. Yes, you guys can. I don't know. If you see it, you can see it. But like in where the fuel lines are, there's a. Oh yeah, look how cracked that is. Like that's the culprit. Far out. But pour that out. There we go. I think this is gonna be a quick fix in my opinion. Oh, beautiful. Oh, this is going too well for me. Oh, it's one of those stupid little. Oh, I'll have to drill it out. Take you over to the vise. Have a look there. I have to put that fuel line back into for the primer. So the top one the top one there is for the in, and the other one is for that. So that can just go in a little box. And then just get it out of here. Like, both of these are absolutely cooked. Oh yeah. Like, look. That's absolutely cooked. Right. So we'll cut all these off at the little vise. So the vise here, a little bit dirty. The stuff that I'm doing is pretty sketch. This is just for pure entertainment for you guys, and I've got nothing to do anyway. So where are my little snips? Oh no! I guess we'll have to use the big tin snips. That's alright. This is not very professional, so don't take any of this into account. This is not edgy. I mean, you could learn of this, but there's one. This is how I usually do it, because these Chinese little chainsaws have like this little thing. It's like molded together. If you guys can't see it, but you guys could see it. So I'm gonna have to try and cut all these, like drill all these out. So I pretty much found the same gauge. It's a different color, so you guys can get on me about that. But it'll be pretty good, I think. Hopefully it'll be pretty good. Get the drill out from little. It's a bit messy on this bench. Oh yeah. So this never usually goes too well. I usually just send it here. Alright. I'll get the drill. Just wait a sec. So I got my drill. So I got a 4mm drill bit on this. So hopefully it, like, I don't know. There we go. So that's pretty much drilled out there. And then we'll get that one done. So that one needs a little bit more. One bigger. So, yeah. Pretty sure I lost that video, but that's alright. I was just saying that I will get all this through and I'll get it sorted. So we've got an update. We've gotten it through, which is very good, and I'm happy about it. So we need to get the other one now. So I just found out that where is that piece? I found out that little end bit wouldn't fit on this smaller one, so I'm gonna use this as the overflow for the bulb, priming bulb, and then I'm gonna use this one, the big wide one, for the feel, for the little drop down filter thing. So we're gonna have to get a bigger drill bit, which we have, because I was having a lot of trouble fitting it in, and I had to use pliers and some stuff, but hopefully this should work This literally took me so long, it's not even funny. But I finally got it all in together. So I was basically just prying and stretching the lily. Like, I must have spent so long on it. Like, sorry guys, not doing that. Yeah, right. But it's all in together. So we need to find out how deep the tank is. So we'll put like a little bit extra in. Put it on this side. See how far it needs to go in. So that's a bit of fuel came out there. Right. So we are stretching it out. Sorry you guys can't see. I'm gonna get a light for this or something, but should be pretty much like perfect there. We'll check in here and see if that's like drain into. Grab it with some pliers, because right, so sorry that we skipped a little bit, but that's alright. So we skipped a little bit forward. We put the cover on. I had to get my dad to help me put that little thing in, but we pretty much got it in, which is pretty good. So we're gonna continue on with this. So it's basically pretty much the same as it is at the start, but yes. So we'll shift those out of the way. Yep, perfect. So gotta install the carburetor back in. So it usually just like clips back in there. It usually should. Alright, and then we'll get the good old. Get a bit of angle for you. That's pretty good. And you get the good old. Should probably do all this first. Get it all threaded in. So get it all threaded in together first. I'm not too sure about the choke because I was having problems with it last time. I'm just on the verge of just completely deleting this and just leaving it like sitting in there like that or something. Where's that little cover? So there. Yeah. Just pops on there. Screws on. So I'm pretty sure we don't need this because it's really annoying. I'm pretty sure this is only just for in there. So yeah. Oh, I know what this is for. It's for the two little fuel lines. Oh, sorry guys. Got a little mixed up there. And then the throttle goes through there. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh, this is starting to make sense now. What? Because I'm like, where does this all go? Yeah, it all pops in there like that. Oh, that's so cool. Right, that's better. So that all goes out. That's how it goes. Oh, there we go. That's better. I thought it went another way. Pretty sure that's just how it goes. Pretty much. Just a little munted. It should work though. Oh. Is she upside down or what? That should do the job. Right, so gotta get the throttle in. That's the choke. I need the throttle in. There we go. So we're pretty much assembling it all back together. Pretty sure that all goes in there. We get our. So I found another better way. I found the actual bit. So there we go. Got it on a very low setting, so it doesn't come out. There we go. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. And then we'll get the throttle installed in. No, not the throttle, the choke, sorry. It's very weird the way that sits in here. It goes all the way up there, like so. There we go. That should just pull out. Yep. That's pretty good. Now you gotta reconnect all the fuel lines. Oh, I should have. Oh, yeah. Oh no, sorry guys. Guys, we got the fuel line in the way now. Perfect. We'll get this in. There we go. This in. Pretty much almost there. We should put some fuel in it and then give it a quick run off first, see if it primes and stuff. So I will get back to you when I get some fuel in it. So we got it all filled up, so I've got to check if it's starting to get fuel through. There we go. Yep, just pretty much. Alright, now we'll take her outside and give her a little test. Alright, she's all primed up. We'll give her a bit of choke. Why does this like lock back? It's supposed to lock back. Good. The one we have to. So, let's give it a little shot. So just got some ether ready for the shit. It's not like it's not popping off, so get a little bit of ether, you know. Yeah. Let's give it a shot. Okay. Well, that's a good sign. Black is not getting enough fuel. Right. Right, that's there we go. There we go.